Welcome fellows into this new video of TechPress. Today let's get started with Python. If you wanted to build some AI agents to automate your boring tasks, it will be helping you to do this process really fast. So how to install this element, how to install Python. I'm going to show you how to install this really simple. Head over to the python.org. Directly inside here, hover over to the element that says download, and here what you want to do is to look out for the option that says, in my case I'm going to go for Windows. You can check out for Mac, Android or other platforms. I'm going to choose the Windows, and here I have the latest Python installed manager, so which is this one. I select this, and just like that is the actual file here of the Windows. So in my case I'm going to go for download the actual installer. And just like that, into the upper right corner, it will be available the actual recently downloaded history list. I just need to wait a few seconds till the Python manager has not been successfully downloaded. You might see the Python into the Microsoft Store. It's okay for total beginners that wanted to download it directly here into the Microsoft Store, but for real developers, the official installer from the website is much more stable. It handles permissions better, so you might want to take that in mind. So in my case, I think the Python is actually available, but you can see this one has the 3.13, and here for example we have version 25. So you can let me know which one is for you the best. So I'm gonna go for my click here, double click where it says managed, and here what says install Python. I'm gonna go for install it. Just like that, I can now initiate Python right now, right? So if you see the checkbox at the bottom that says add Python, you are actually good to go. I recommend clicking customize installation to ensure the pip, the tool we use to install libraries, is checked, and then hit into next and finally install. Now at the very end you'll see an option disable path length limits. You can click directly into it. That usually appears directly inside here. In my case I think it doesn't appear, so that's okay. And well, let's make sure that it worked. If you open your command prompt and type Python version, if you see the version number, you're golden, because you see an error that makes you forgot the path checkbox earlier. And there we go, successfully updated. Everything works correctly. You're officially set up with the Python into Windows 11. Now that the Python is ready, you needed a place to write your code. So watched there's actually more videos about how to install VS Code for Python here, and there's more elements more than just Python. So you can let me know in the comments below what you think about this great elements. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And just in case you have any question about Python and you want to contact them, you can go directly into the section that says help and general contact of the python.org. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Well, hopefully we can see you next time.